Hey, welcome to our channel, The Plumbing Gurus. My name's Clayton. On this channel, we're striving to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. This is a real interesting one here, guys. What we're doing is we're doing a big renovation. It's a big piece of land. Anyways, it's an older house, additions on additions. So we ran into a little issue here where we have a cast iron pipe coming out of the wall. We can dig it outside, but the digging is like, it's rocks and clay, there's electrical running through there, and it's just really tough. So we tried to figure out a different way to approach this. So
it was back grading too, so that's why we're cutting it.
And this drain here was back grading, so we wanted to tie into here. So what we're ran into is there's cast iron inside of the wall. Now we're thinking, what's the best way to cut this? We've never done this before. This is the first time we've done this. So let us know if you guys have ran into the situation. If you guys have done something different, we'd love to know. So anyways, I just kind of made up my own little contraption here. This is a inside pipe cutter it usually has a ABS or a plastic blade on here. This is what you use to cut plastic pipe. So what I did is I took off that blade, I put on a grinder wheel on, and now I'm going to be grinding. You can see we already got the bottom part done there. So I'm going to be using this as an inside grinder, inside pipe cutter inside. Carson, do you have something to add?
Yeah, I was just going to say what we did to start the job.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So
look at that bad boy.
What we did here is we used the saw and we just cut.
Well, first we cut it off with the saw like butter. Instead of using the Sawzall blade, we just used that saw.
Yeah.
Ripped it off here, and then yeah.
That was Carson that was doing that while I was running around getting fittings ready. So yeah, so Carson cut it here. This stack ran up into there, all cast iron, which we will be replacing it with ABS pipe. So yeah, so and then we just cut a couple notches just to see. This is kind of just like a trial and error thing. We've never done anything like this before, so we're just trying new things. That's how you get better at life, right? And plumbing too, is you just try, sometimes you just gotta try new things.
Gotta think outside that box.
Think outside of that box. So
let's see this grinder.
Do a little grinding, just to kind of show you guys. We like to wear our full hazmat, protect ourselves. Safety first. And so I won't do the whole thing because it'll probably take forever. It is going to take a little bit of time to do this, but as you can see, it is working. It is scoring it nice. So we are going to continue with that. Just like that, yeah. So, but anyways, we just thought we'd do a video on this. It's something cool. We're working on site, so on-site edition. And let us know if you guys have done anything like this before, run into any problems like this, what your solutions have been. Yeah, but anyways, I gotta get back to work, make some money, and we will see you on the next one.